wet and there's mushrooms there.
Right.
Alright, take the camera off. That's enough now. Hello explorers, I am finally back on the road. I travelled up from Birmingham to Darlington and finally I'm in Woodland. Our main adventure today is to head over to High Force and Low Force, two waterfalls. I think High Force is the biggest or the highest in the UK, and also an area around here was used to film the film 1917. I'm with Voltron, who you met at the UK Games Expo. I'm also with some new explorers, Explorer Stu, Laura and Simon. We only arrived yesterday, so we haven't had much of a chance to look around yet. We had some food in the pub just below where we're staying, went down to the playground, but this is our first good look. Beautiful big green fields everywhere, high rolling hills in the distance, just calm, peaceful and beautiful. Get out the way.
Rolling down the hill.
What?
Go on.
I'll roll down this bit and then we'll put the camera down there and I'll roll down, I'll make it look like I've rolled down. Should we do
roll
that?
Down the whole bit.
Now, put the camera down there and I'll just get her. I'm just going to edit this out. Put the camera there. Does it look? Right, explorers, did you enjoy that? That was me rolling down the hill. We've just arrived at Bowlees, a small village. Parked up, we're heading to the visitor centre, and then we should be on our way to Low Falls and then hiking or maybe a really long walk up to High Falls. Alright, we are now starting our journey. I think it's 1 mile or 2 miles to walk. I've picked up a map, got that from the visitor centre. The visitor centre though is very nice, great customer service, and maybe we'll go back there later for some lunch. But if we do, you better keep watching, because I did see in the last video when me and Voltron went for lunch, you all skipped that bit of the video, so don't be mean. We've arrived, we barely even needed a map for that. Don't buy the map, it's 50 pence, but just buy something tasty like some chocolate or some ice cream. We're here at Low Force already. I'll turn you around and you can have a look. Okay, I'm back. We've all jumped in the water and we've had a time to dry ourselves. Did you enjoy jumping in the water, Stu?
I didn't jump in the water.
Yeah, he did jump in the water. Don't ruin it.
Or just edit
Ruining
me out.
the video.
If you don't like my lines, edit me out.
I'll put someone else's face over you. About the water is it's kind of the colour of a beer. It's got that kind of fizz like a Coca-Cola, a bit of an odd colour. about 3/4 of the way there. We've just crossed over Holwick Head Bridge, which puts us on the correct side to see the waterfall from both the low point and the high point. So not long now.
It's a video.
Time for a food review, and we have stopped at High Force Visitor Centre Cafe. So we've stopped, we've picked up our tickets to go to see the waterfall. It's £2 for a ticket. We've also picked up some ice cream. I think it's £3.40 for 2 scoops, which is maybe a bit of a premium, but I've gone for salted caramel. That was a disaster. But the flavour is not a disaster. Salted caramel, 5 out of 5. And strawberry, good strawberry flavour, 4 out of 5. So overall, 9 out of 10. Excellent score. But for packaging, large is a bit bland. Small, hold it in front of the camera please. Look at that, far better design. Thank you. Maybe ask for 2 scoops in a small container, and then you'll have a 10 out of 10 dessert. Oh no. We're getting close now. I hope you enjoyed that little sneak preview. It looks like it's going to be pretty spectacular, so I'm actually genuinely quite excited about this. Amazing to see, like, it's just unrelenting and it's quite hypnotic as well. We're all just sat on the rocks just staring at the water, just pummeling down endlessly. I definitely recommend coming here to see it. That was embarrassing. Battery ran out. Though I'm now back at the hotel, clean, washed, dry, ready to give you my final thoughts. High Force and Low Force and Gibsons Cave, all really good. My final review score for them will be 8 out of 10. Really great place to visit. Number 1 priority though is Gibsons Cave. That was the best of the 3. Just make sure you take some warm clothes for after you've been in the water, because it was freezing, particularly if you've got sensitive feet like me. That's my main weakness. that's it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, or you have any comments or things you want to know, comment below. If not, like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in the next Northumberland adventure.